What's going on, Brooklyn and beyond? Today I just wanted to do a quick demonstration of the difference between the Hero 11 Black, which is also included with the 9 and the 10, versus the 12 with the original Media Mod and Max Mod and the Max Mod 2.0. All right, for the first example, I'll show you this is the 11, which is going to be the same like the 10 and the 9. When you want to turn on the Max Lens Mod, you just hit this button here. So, like I said, so you see it, enabling Max Lens Mod. So we continue, and this is going to be the Max View, but let me put on the actual Max Lens Mod now. Okay, so now you're seeing it through the Max Lens Mod. This is the original Max Lens Mod. Mine just scratched, but it's still the original Max Lens Mod. All right, now can you use the Max Lens Mod 2.0 on the 9, 10, and 11? Okay, so this is the view of the Max Lens Mod 2.0 on the GoPro Hero 11. Now it's not designed for this, but as you see, it does work. All right, now let's go to the 12 Black. Okay, with the 12 Black, you see you have the option for Max Lens 2.0. So if you touch it, it'll turn on 2.0. But if you hold it down, it gives you the option for the 2.0, the Max Lens, or none. So let's go to regular Max Lens and put the regular Max Lens on. Okay, so here it's a Hero 12 with the original Max Lens mod on. And after this, I'll walk around and then you can see the difference with the two. I don't think there's much of a difference. All right, but now let's put on the Max Lens Mod 2.0. So we'll go down, we'll hold this down, and we'll choose Max Lens 2.0. And we'll switch to the 2.0. All right, here we go. So now this is the Hero 12 Black with the Max Lens Mod 2.0 on it. So in essence, both cameras will work with either media mod. This one is more specific, so you can change it so it knows how to adjust for the lens. All right, so this is wide. Let's go. This one gives you an option for hyper view. So let's go back. Now you get the hyper view. And here are the differences between the two cameras in their field of view. This is the Hero 12 Black with the Max Lens Mod 2.0. You get the linear, wide, max super view, and max hyper view. This one you get wide and max super view for the 11 Black. All right. Now we'll take a quick walk in the park and maybe you can see the difference. Also, let me mention this. As you can see by the resolutions, even with the widest, the GoPro Hero 12, which is on the left, goes up to 4K. The one on the right, the 7, goes up to 2.7K. They both have the horizon lock, so you can spin them fully in a circle. But also you get the 9:16 ratio with the 12, and you get well, if I put it on to 1080p, I can also get 120 frames per second. Alright, so that was my comparison of the GoPro Hero 11 versus the 12, the differences between the two media mods. Like I said, differences, the frame rates you can get, the resolution you can get, and the field of view you can get. But once again, the Max Lens Mod 2 will work on the 9, 10, and 11, but it's not meant for it. The 12 is meant for the Max Lens Mod 2.0, and so you're gonna get a better view, well, wider view, and it's like they're just designed for it, engineered for it. All right, that's it for now. Brooklyn salute. I'm out.